Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to do unboxings of all sorts. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all over the world, really. I mean, kind of here where I live in Ohio, but when we go on vacation, we do some really extravagant dinners, and I like to vlog that. Today, I am going to be reviewing for you my Rocksbox for, well, my first Rocksbox for April, my fourth Rocksbox altogether. I will put the pictures in one of the corners to remind you what I got. And down below, there will be a playlist if you want more information about this subscription box. It'll be down there. You can watch the other videos. Also, my link will be down below if you would like to give Rocksbox a try. The first month is on me. But if you want it, jump on it because I don't think I'm going to keep it past the month of April. So, with that being said, the first thing I got was a Perry Street pearl cuff. And the retail price was $55 and the member price was $39. I liked this item. I'm going to keep it. And I have a $26 credit, so that will actually be applied to this purchase and it will come off of the balance of the bracelet. So the next thing I got was an Aster Cosmos ring in Moonstone. The retail price was $60. The cost to me was $51. I'm sending this back. It's just not really my style. I mean, it was okay. It's just, I don't know. I like my rings to be flashy and look expensive. And I don't know. It was just a little dainty ring, so it just really wasn't my style. Sending it back. And then the Kendra Scott casing necklace in gold and slate. There was no retail price. The cost to me, which is $65. I wore this around the house and I came really close to buying it. Like really close. But after wearing it around the house and thinking on it, I decided to go ahead and send it back. It was really pretty. I don't know. I just felt like maybe it wasn't worth the $65. And that's really all for my Rocksbox. Like I said, I probably will not keep this moving into May. So if you want to use my code, jump on it now to get yourself a free box. And that is my review for my fourth Rocksbox. Have a great day. Bye.